When the sun goes down and the moon's not out and the stars
A few days ago, we started a project out here in the shop that I've been wanting to do for a long time. Let's jump in to what's over here right now. Got 4 sheets of plywood. Now that plywood was for a project inside that wasn't ever needed. I never returned it. So I'm actually gonna use it to clad the walls. We're gonna start off with the first panel over here on this wall. I'll see you in a couple seconds, but it'll probably be multiple hours for me.
There's a friction in my conscience. Am I too far gone? Does the good mean there must be something more? Bring me back to what I know. What I know.
A few of these mounts I 3D printed myself, like the slip-on chuck holders and the jaw holders, but these down here are from our friend Bodie. So link will be down in the description. I still think there is a discount code Bodie has supplied for anybody wanting to order stuff that he prints. Great stuff, go give him a check it out. I'll also include the links to these other ones if you have a 3D printer and you want to print some stuff for your shop. While I'm working on this next bit, which is our finish cabinet that used to hang up here where we put this piece of plywood, it's probably gonna go to the left of that. Let's take a jump back to February when I was downtown Cleveland. Kind of a cool little interesting story, so let's go check that out. It was a year ago this week that I was up in that building back there, Seidman Cancer Center at UH in downtown Cleveland for my stem cell transplant. I used to sit looking out the window, just waiting. I was in there for over a month. Wasn't fun. Definitely didn't have hair, and things are getting better. But right now, I'm trying to find a Libra of these stones. I'm also right outside the Cleveland Art Museum. Was in there doing some research on bowl feet and bowl designs over the ages. Something fun. Had some time to kill today. Figured I'd get out and do this as it's kind of a shop talk / research type of video. That one's a dolphin. Goat. This is one of my favorite areas in Cleveland though, because you get the art museum, the reflecting pool, you got Severance, where the Cleveland Orchestra plays. Got a lot of cool architecture around. Probably won't walk around the reflecting pool today. There's folks up there taking pictures. All right, let's see if we can find this Libra. Well, that's funny. Libra was where I started, except I went that way. It's definitely been a weird journey the past year with chemo, stem cell transplant, life in general, work, streaming, content creation. It's all been very interesting battle. But I'd do it again in a heartbeat. So the research on the bowls, pretty good. A lot of cool pieces in there and a lot of cool bowl design. And more importantly, I was looking at foot design on bowls over centuries and what's held up, what's tried and true. So it was just kind of cool to get in there and see. Definitely found a vase that I really liked the design of. Probably try to replicate it out of wood. We'll see. At least the shape. It's one of the directions I want to go in 2026 is to do more art projects or style, not just mass-produced bowls. I was getting kind of burnt out doing that. If you're ever in Cleveland, definitely got to check out Severance for a show with the Cleveland Orchestra. It's fantastic. The finished cabinet installed. I flipped the cabinet around so that way we can actually open the finishes now without having to walk around the lathe. And figured while I was here, I would install this 3D printed bracket for my great uncle's plane that Needs a little bit of TLC, but it's a Dunlap. Don't know much about it. Maybe one of you does. If so, leave some info down below. One of these days we'll get this cleaned up and flattened and we'll be able to use it again. But other than that, thank you guys for tuning in. Hope this has been a great video, and I will talk to you guys next time.